Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We have a special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Alright, open it up to get it ready. There's really good stuff right here coming from Easydew DW-EGF. There's some really good stuff. There we go. Gonna do a quick one today. And we got two of them. This is the cream and the Pressome and the Easy Up Serum. So we got both right there. We're right back. Alrighty, YouTubers. EGF is a growth factor. It's a natural youth protein in our bodies that stimulate production of the collagen and elastin. An important thing about EGF is decrease rapidly as we get older, especially after the age of 29. So Easydew DW-EGF fills up insignificant EGF of your skin with EGF to enhance signs of aging, such as wrinkles, sagginess, redness, fine lines, dark spots around your eye. So this is really good stuff for us folks that are getting older. And hold on one sec. And if you guys want to know why you want to choose DW-EGF, Easydew utilizes DW-EGF, which is the only EGF that has completely identical structure as the human bodies. It's one of the only EGFs that is registered pharmaceutical medicine and made by Day One. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. I'll leave the link below. Hold on one sec. So links will be below to check them out. And when you guys got some free time, definitely click the link, and we'll see how this looks really quick. Got that one. Come on. Try and make a short video for you guys today, but here we go. It's kind of smells really good. So this will help your older folks with the saggy eyes and stuff like that, wrinkles around the arms, you know. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, really great company that's going to help us stay younger or look younger. So really cool stuff. Check them out. Be safe. Have a great day.